The president must face the consequences of his abuse of authority, clearly. Acts like that for whatever reason have no place in an official function, for one. It diverts the attention from the important matters at hand and makes mockery of the interaction. In the same way, the president must face the consequences of his abuse of authority, clearly. Acts like that for whatever reason have no place in an official function.
Pinilit pang halikan sa labi.
Pinayaman ako ng Panginoon Diyos sa kala nila sa akin. Single ako, kaya pinag-aagawan ako. Pagkatapos na ako'y maghihindi, mapapahiya, ibabaliktad nila sa akin.
There is nothing wrong in a simple case you cause an uproar. Inggit lang yan sila.
Especially a woman who's entertainment, that's something really sick.
Duterte asked an unidentified audience member to kiss him in exchange for a book he was handing out. But critics say even if the act was consensual, it was a grave abuse of authority, especially since Duterte has a history of making sexist remarks, including numerous jokes about rape.
During the campaign in my mayorship days, I kissed every woman there, lips to lips. I-style ko yan eh. Ngunit maghanap ko ng ibang style ninyo. There is nothing wrong in a simple case you cause an uproar. Pumalit kay Bong. Tumindig ka nga. Ikaw. Harap ka doon sa kanila. Tumindig ka, anong klaseng pulis ito? Kapitan pa.